meta cocaína en las prótesis. Ah, caray. Qué buena idea. Pero a ver, díganme una cosa.
Good morning, ladies. Happy Thursday. I just got out the shower and I am planning to make the kids some pasta with ground beef. So come with me while I cook for them.
Is there any mom out here that can relate to me? Oh, guys, I'm a stay-at-home mom and I'm with my kids 24/7. They're still babies, so they wake up in the middle of the night. So mama never gets like a full 10 hours of sleep. Oh, I just suck so bad how like a mom should be sleeping more. But like it is also my fault because I stay up super late watching. I started watching Sin Senos No Hay Paraíso, where this Catalina and Titi. I know y'all know about this movie. This telenovela, but it's a really good novela. You guys should watch it. I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Hey girlies, I already changed into my faja because I'm always wearing my faja. And for my clothes, I'm gonna be wearing this really cute white top. And then for pants, I don't know if I want to wear some jeans. I want to wear this. This is so comfortable, guys. I got this from TikTok shop. It is from this brand, and they're so cute. I might wear these because I am most likely not gonna be stepping out today. So I want to be really comfortable. So cute. This. And then for shoes, guys, usually just put some slides on since I'm gonna be home. And then I can't even find my favorite slides, but I'll wear these because they're really cute. Alright girlies, I'm finally made it to the kitchen. I just changed. This is my outfit. It is so cute. Every woman's worst nightmare just came true. I need to cook and I have dirty dishes and I need the dishes to cook. I need my cazuela to cook. So girl, let me wash these really quick. Me standing away because I don't want to get wet. I'm gonna be cooking the ground beef in this one. And then I still need to wash the other one because I'm gonna be cooking the pasta in there. So, girlies, like I was telling you guys, I started watching Sin Senos No Hay Paraíso, and it's so good. I am barely on the second episode where Catalina, I don't want to spoil it if anybody hasn't seen it, but I'm in the part where she like went to this party and she got like SA by like 3 men. So freaking sad, but guys, it's so good. Yeah, check it out, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take out the butter. And then I'm gonna cut some onion. Getting hot. It's getting hot in here. I'll take off the clothes. Okay. Guys, I'm only gonna be cooking half because the other half I usually cook it in tacos. I'm gonna be lowering the heat just so I can have time to start making the cooking the pasta. Guys, I'm gonna be putting my pasta in here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and I do like putting a little bit of Goya, just because it gives it a little bit of taste in the pasta. And then for the pasta, I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna be probably throwing like half. Alright, I'm gonna be using these just for the pasta sauce. Hey girlies, my camera died, but I already seasoned the meat with salt. So I'm just waiting for the pasta to be ready. You want to take the tomato sauce out. You can either use like this little juice that we have over here. Just try not to burn yourself. And you just mix it a little bit so the sauce unsticks. I'm gonna use my lid because I don't want to get dirty. I have like a really cute white shirt. I wish I had tomato paste, but I didn't. So we're working what we got, guys. We're working with what we got. We're gonna cover this and let it simmer a little bit while my pasta is almost ready. Guys, I need like a boost of energy, so I'm gonna be making a Celsius really quick. Let me show you how I do them. I'm gonna drink a little bit. So good, guys. Guys, I had to put on my glasses because I'm going to be watching my novela while I cook.
No supo renovar la manera de hacer el negocio. Así que, repito, váyase y váyase por su.
Alright girlies, I am done with dinner. The kids are starving, but let me show you guys. It came out so yummy. Have some mashed potato here. I gotta serve them because they... Good job. Do you want cheese?
No.
No cheese? No? Okay.
No, I might build the house.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for tuning in.